So this is a wrap for the Midwest Regional event.
Well, my name is Adam Makowski. I'm one of the brothers here that own the Aloha Beach and Natura Destinations. So our family's vision for the Aloha Beach would be, we purchased a property that was Hawaiian themed. We have this beautiful lakefront property. In order to get a Four Seasons feel and vibe to the property, to have it year round, we're gonna be changing the theme to more of a lake life theme, which gives Four Seasons availability to the resort. So one of the things that we wanted to do is add in a water feature that would kind of tie in with the lake, and then also our new theming. And what better than to take in the natural attributes, the rock, the logs, the wood, everything that's around us, and put it into our resort. We extended the beach here previously this summer, and then we're gonna tie in more of the theming from the resort all the way along to the point. The relationships with Aquascape started when my brother Dave, he did most of the research when we first started we did our first natural lagoon. He came across Aquascapes, and actually I think he attended a Pandemonium. Since then, we started our project, Natura Treescape Resort. He got to know what we needed. I mean, of course, this is the first time we built a pond, and with the help of Bruce Company, created our first natural lagoon using Aquascape's products. That was an invaluable resource to helping us calculate, our wetland bog, and then also the size. We went from a shallow to a deep end. We had a waterfall that was kind of coming into it. Amazing experience, especially once we got the product in and operating, to see the end result and how clear the water came out, because that was kind of our main goal, is to have nice, clean, clear water that we could actually see down, to the bottom. Kind of on our third project here, Ed's been very insightful on things that we kind of want to see and dream of in our sleep. We're looking at doing a amusement park / natural adventure park. It's going to be the largest water feature that has a filtration, kind of like on our second lagoon, which I kind of want to expand on that. It's going to be in a setting that is completely undisturbed right now. It's all natural, similar to our first natural lagoon, plus a adventure river around it. I don't think people have seen before.
Hey guys, what's going on? Christopher Reacts here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Well, we are in the Wisconsin Dells for our CAC regional build event, and I find that these events are so important to go to, not only just from a learning standpoint and picking up new tips and tricks to take back home so you can provide for your clients, but also for the camaraderie, the social networking, all of the things that go on here, knowing who's in the area, who's in the region, making friends with people, because this thing's a huge tribe and we all grow together. And as you guys can see right here behind me, we're all building together. We're doing this great project for the Makowski brothers and Natura here at Aloha Beach. And I mean, it's just so important to be at these things, because where else in the world, in any industry, are you going to get this kind of a turnout? So not only to give back being a master certified Aquascape contractor and mentoring these guys, which is one of the things that I absolutely love about this group, but it's also taking it in from being a new guy. I know when I was younger and I was first starting out, these were monumental to be at, those tips and tricks that I learned at these events to my clientele.
My name is Morgan Jacobs. I'm a contractor out of southwestern Minnesota, and this is my first regional build. I've learned a lot, and I haven't learned in the videos here, specifically that sand trap to keep sand from migrating into your basin and messing up your pumps. I've always been a proponent of sand and water features. It's natural, it looks good, it feels good on your feet. So now that we have learned a way to keep that from messing up our system, I'm going to incorporate it on almost every build I can squeeze it into. It's been a blast here. It's actually like a vacation for me. It's supposed to be training, but I'm having such a good time. I'm going to come back the next time I get an opportunity, and no matter where it is. I think any regional build is worth its weight in gold.
I've been to, this is actually my first regional event. I've been to 9 Pandemoniums, 2 Aquascape universities, and the reason I keep coming back is, as much as I learned the hands-on part of it and the book stuff, it's the networking part. You know, talking to other people and seeing techniques and learning things that I don't know. You know, you only know what you know and the way you were trained. So the person that trained me, that's all they knew how to train me with, but I meet all these other people here and we learn new techniques and ways to do things and become more efficient. So, and the camaraderie is just huge.
So first of all, I want to thank everybody for coming out again. It's been an incredible time. I also have to thank the Makowskis, the entire family. We could not have pulled it off without them and their team. But everything, in my opinion, came off without a hitch at this point. I shouldn't actually say that because it ain't running yet. But again, I want to thank you all for coming on out. Awesome, awesome. Starting out great over at Hot Rocks. A great feedback from the classroom seminar that went on. I hope that you got everything that you were looking for by coming to this. Everything we do goes back to our roots. We still design and build ponds, and we could teach people. So our goal is to make you succeed. If you don't succeed, that means we're not doing our job properly. Thanks to everybody, all the Aquascape people that came out here, Makowski family, the Master CACs, all the new people that are coming in. We are ready to turn this thing on. So this is a wrap for the Midwest Regional event, and I tell you what, it has been a phenomenal experience as always. Everybody came together, we had a great time, great camaraderie, building together, working together, great discussions, all these different pieces and elements, and on top of it, we came away with an incredible water feature right here at the Aloha Resort. So this is going to be an amazing addition to this already beautiful facility. Double thumbs up on this one, had a blast. This is a wrap, and this has been one incredible experience. We'll see you on the next time.